During the lunch time, a student had burn on hand due to pouring of hot water. What you do first? Allow tight bandage, immediately sent to hospital, give paracetamol, expose and cool the burn part with running water. Correct answer is D. Expose and cool the burn part with running water. Which part of the eye is donated during eye donation? Eyeball, lens, cornea, retina. Correct answer is C. Cornea. Prophylactic administration of vitamin A and albendazole in a child is health promotion, specific protection, specific prevention, treatment and management. Correct answer is B. Specific protection. Which of the following is the second generation of IUCD? Lips loop, copper T380A, progesterone, LNG20. Correct answer is B. Copper T380A. The dose of vitamin A for 1 to 5 years is 50,000 unit, 1 lakh international unit, 2 lakh, 4 lakh. Correct answer is C. 2 lakh unit. As a school nurse, you are giving Jeevanjal solution for rehydration. Which extracellular electrolyte you are giving to children in order to prevent dehydration? Potassium, calcium, chloride, sodium. Correct answer is D. Sodium. If the patient with right-sided heart failure admitted in cardiac care unit, which symptoms most likely to occur? Pulmonary edema, cough and dyspnea, peripheral edema, orthopnea. Correct answer is C. Peripheral edema. Which of the following is most likely to occur in Cushing syndrome? Buffalo hump, hypoglycemia, weight loss, low blood pressure, thick skin. Correct answer is A. Buffalo hump. The site for common fracture among children is the arm, the chest, the leg, the hip. Correct answer is A. The arm. If a patient has strong and persistent urge to urinate with high grade of fever, chills and rigor with the pain in lumbar region, what is the probable diagnosis? Acute pyelonephritis, cystitis, urethritis, balanophostitis. Correct answer is A. Acute pyelonephritis. Integrated management of childhood illness includes all except ARI, malaria, malnutrition, tuberculosis. Correct answer is D. Tuberculosis. Floating as behavioral therapy is best indicated in obsessive compulsive disorder, schizophrenia, phobia, mental retardation. Correct answer is C. Phobia. According to WHO, normal range for blood pressure of adult is systolic 110 to 130, diastolic 60 to 90, systolic 90 to 140, diastolic 60 to 90, systolic 100 to 140, diastolic 60 to 85, systolic 90 to 130, diastolic 60 to 90. Correct answer is C. Systolic 100 to 140, diastolic 60 to 85. Vaccine coverage rate of all vaccine in Nepal as per NDHS 2016 is 68%, 78%, 88%, 98%. Correct answer is B. 78%. According to recent studies in Nepal, percentage of exclusive breastfeeding under the age of 6 months is 56%, 66%, 76%, 86%. Correct answer is B. 66%. Pick out the growth monitoring measures from the following list: weight, height, MUSC, all of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. One student always sits in the first bench in classroom. He could not write properly from blackboard and asks what other friends as what is written on the board. What may be the problem of this boy? Hearing problem, language problem, perception problem, vision problem. Correct answer is D. Vision problem. Human papilloma virus is vaccination given to female adolescent to prevent cervical cancer. What is the ideal age to vaccinate? 1 to 5 years, 10 to 14 years, 15 to 20 years, 20 to 30 years. Correct answer is B. 10 to 14 years. As a school nurse, you have formed health team in each class by using 3 to 4 students of each classroom to facilitate and coordinate other students. You are using child to child program, child to school program, child to teacher program, child to parent program. Correct answer is A, child to child program. Which hormone is responsible to stimulate the maturation of ovarian follicle? LH, RH, FSH, auscultation, HCG. Correct answer is B, FSH. The enlargement of male breast is called fibroadenoma, mastitis, breast abscess, gynecomastia. Correct answer is D, gynecomastia. In a public vehicle, a boy teased and tossed purposefully to girl. This is an example of attraction to opposite sex, physical abuse, gender-based violence, gender equality. Correct answer is B, physical abuse. Which one of the following methods is the best method for examining the vowel sound? Palpation, percussion, auscultation, inspection. Correct answer is C, auscultation. When the rate and depth of respiration increase, it is called as dyspnea, orthopnea, apnea, hyperpnea. Correct answer is D, hyperpnea. The nursing care plan is a tool to set a goal and project outcomes, a projection of potential alteration in client's behavior, written guideline for implementation and evaluation, a documentation of client care. Correct answer is C, written guideline for implementation and evaluation. The heart contains dash bulb 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct answer is 4. What is the incubation period of coronavirus? 3 to 12 days, 2 to 14 days, 5 to 16 days, 6 to 17 days. Correct answer is B, 2 to 14 days. A 16-year girl asks you about high-risk sexual behavior. What is your response to her? Regular sexual contact with single person, abstinence from sexual contact, consistent use of condom during sexual intercourse, sexual contact with multiple partners without protective measures. Correct answer is D, sexual contact with multiple partners without contraceptive measures. Complication of cervicitis is uterine prolapse, infertility, PID, PNC. Correct answer is D, PNC. According to WHO, the adolescent age group includes 10 to 15 years, 15 to 19 years, 12 to 20 years, 10 to 19 years. Correct answer is D, 10 to 19 years. During summer season, one student has epistaxis and has massive nasal bleeding. What you will do in your school? Sit the child quietly in erect position and pinch the nose till bleeding is controlled. Allow bleeding as this is impaired blood during summer. Allow the child to sneeze to remove blood clots from nose. Allow to have chemical cauterization. Correct answer is A. Sit the child quietly in erect position and pinch the nose till bleeding is controlled. In the respiratory unit, duty nurse is caring for a client with chest tube drainage. While turning the patient, chest tube accidentally disconnects. The initial nursing action is call the physician. Place the tube in bottle of sterile water. Immediately replace the chest tube system. Place a sterile dressing over the connection sites. Correct answer is B. Place the tube in bottle of sterile water. The main reason for rotating injection site while administering insulin is to prevent insulin resistance, systemic allergic reaction, insulin lipodystrophy, all of the above. Correct answer is C. Insulin lipodystrophy. What is the primary responsibility of a nurse during convulsion? Generalized tonic-clonic seizure. Determining if an aura has experienced. Administer IV anticonvulsion. Cleaning the immediate environment for safety. Inserting a plastic airway in between the teeth. Correct answer is C. Cleaning the environment for safety. Cooperative play is assumed by which age group? Infant, toddler, preschool age, school age. Correct answer is C. Preschool age. You found the autistic children in school. What will you do for the child? report the principal, ignore the children as none of your business, punish the child for not being interact with others, observe the behavior of student, talk the principal and parents of the students and advise to consult doctor. Correct answer is D. Observe the behavior of student, talk the principal and parents of the students and advise to consult doctor. In Nepal, after federal system, how many provinces and local level are there? 1 and 7, 7 and 7, 5, 3, 7 and 14, 14 and 77. Correct answer is B, 7 and 7, 53. Following are the public health measures for prevention of COVID-19 comes under SMS measures except social distancing, mask, social gathering, sanitization. Correct answer is C, social gathering. When cervix is outside the vagina but uterine body is still inside the vagina, it's called first degree prolapse, second degree prolapse, third degree prolapse, procedentitis. Correct answer is C, third degree prolapse. Self-breast examination is done during menstruation, 1 week after menstruation, 1 week before menstruation, in the same date of every month. Correct answer is B, 1 week after menstruation. The disinfectant for COVID-19 prevention and control is chlorine, Dettol, glutaraldehyde, formalin. Correct answer is A, chlorine. If overdose of heparin is diagnosed, what drug the nurse prepare as an antidote of heparin? Narcan, vitamin K, protamine sulfate, calcium gluconate. Correct answer is C, protamine sulfate. Who is the father of scientific management? Frederick Taylor, Marie Fallot, Max Weber, Henry Fayol. Correct answer is A, Frederick Taylor. A leader who allows his employees freedom to make decisions and to complete work in whatever way that they think is the best, using which leadership? Democratic, participative, laissez-faire, autocratic, democratic, consultative. Correct answer is A, democratic, participative. The most common cause of vesicovaginal fistula is sexual relation at early age, prolonged obstructed labor, congenital defect on bladder, catheterization. Correct answer is B, prolonged obstructed labor. One student always sits in the first bench in classroom. He could not write properly from blackboard and asks other friends at what is written on the board. What may be the problem of this boy? Hearing problem, language problem, perception problem, vision problem. Correct answer is D, vision problem. Acne is a common skin infection among adolescents which is caused by rickettsia, mite, virus, bacteria. Correct answer is D, bacteria. Deficiency of folic acid in reproductive system might cause nothing, neural tube defect and congenital abnormality, microcephaly, blindness. Correct answer is B, neural tube defect and congenital abnormality. A person expresses that there is a tiger coming to him and starts screaming, but in reality there is nothing. This kind of false perception is hallucination, delusion, confusion, compulsion. Correct answer is A, hallucination. Art of motivation a group of people to act towards achieving a common goal is the definition of management, leadership, advocacy, lobby. Correct answer is B, leadership. यस्तै भिडियोको लागि प्लिज मेरो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गरिदिनु होला। त्यसै गरी यो भिडियोलाई लाइक र शेयर गर्न नभुल्नु होला।